If you are still using ElevenLabs in 2025, it's time to stop. While ElevenLabs is good to some extent, it comes with a lot of issues, like unusual activity warnings, sign-up problems, and voice generator glitches. Sometimes the program even crashes, and that can be extremely frustrating for creators. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a website where you can generate unlimited voices for free, and that's Dubdub AI. The best part is there are no limits. You can generate as much text as you want at once, and the output is smooth, natural, and ready to use. Dubdub AI is a practical solution for creators, whether you are doing storytelling, YouTube narration, reels, or podcasts. Dubdub AI handles everything without any interruptions. No more frustrating sign-up errors or unexpected problems slowing down your workflow. The biggest advantage of Dubdub AI is that it delivers fast and reliable results. You can plan your content, write your script, and generate your voiceovers in a single session without worrying about limits. This is a real game changer for creators, saving both time and energy. In this video, I'm going to explain Dubdub AI, how to create high-quality voiceovers for your projects, and how to enjoy a hassle-free workflow. If you're a creator and want your content to reach the next level, watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how Dubdub AI works and how to get the best results from it. Alright, let's start the video without any delay. First, open Chrome or Google and type Dubdub AI in the search bar. Then click on the first link. You will see an AI voiceover option. Simply click on it. Once you click, you will be asked to sign up. And this is where you need to pay close attention, because if you make a mistake here, you won't be able to use this website for unlimited free access. Now, you should not use your personal mobile email to sign up. To sign up for free, you need to use a temporary email, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First, open a new tab and search for temp mail. Then click on the first link. You will see an interface appear. And you don't need to do anything, just wait a few moments. Temp mail will generate an email for you. Then click the copy button to copy the email. Next, go back to the Dubdub AI website and paste the email in the required field. The website will also ask you to create a password. For the password field, paste the same email again. Then you'll see a blue sign up button at the bottom. Click on it. After clicking, a new option will appear for a gate code. Click on that, wait for 2 to 3 seconds, then go back to temp mail. You will have an email from Dubdub AI. Open it, scroll down a little, and you will see a verification code. Long press on the code to copy it. Then return to the Dubdub AI website and paste the code into the code box. Finally, click sign up. Now your account is created, and you can easily start generating text-to-speech. To generate a voice, you can type any story, text, or even paste content you want. Next, in the bottom corner, click the More Voice option. You will see a wide variety of characters, many more than what ElevenLabs offers. Choose a character you like. My favorite is Adam. I'll search for Adam, click on him, and then select him. Once selected, you'll see an export button at the top. Click on it, then click export again when prompted. A new option will appear, generate and export. Click on it. As soon as you click, your voice will be generated.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
This is how you can create professional quality voiceovers and generate unlimited text-to-speech for all your projects. With Dubdub AI, the process is simple, fast, and completely reliable. You can plan your content, create scripts, and produce voiceovers in a single session without worrying about any limitations.